Have you ever tossed a plastic bottle into the recycling bin and wondered, is this really going to be recycled? We were curious too. After our field visit to the Ann Arbor Recycling Center, which is known for its sustainability efforts, we found some of the key challenges were contamination, improper sorting, and sanitization issues, which continue to challenge even the most eco-conscious communities like Ann Arbor. Plastic films, greasy containers, and most importantly, mixed materials, which often end up in the recycling stream, causing entire batches to be rejected. But what if we could change that? What if recycling at home could be more precise, efficient, and even rewarding? So, we would like to introduce you to Lasso Loop, a smart closed-loop appliance designed to accept glass, plastic, and metal, which then sorts, cleans, and transforms them into pure manufacturer-ready materials. This is our client for our course SI 699, which is our capstone project. While this is a brilliant engineering idea, when we examined it closely, it lacked user experience, and this was something that we wanted to work upon. People didn't know what to recycle or how to track their impact or even whether they were doing the right thing when the bin was full. The users had absolutely no idea. So we asked, what if the Lasso loop could sort of have a feedback loop system where they could notify users? What if there were features to just have communication between the application and the mobile app? So our team stepped into the redesign of the user experience. The goal was pretty simple to remove all the guesswork and create a seamless bridge between the appliance interface and the mobile app so that users could confidently recycle, see their progress, and feel what they're impacting in this environment. We started with research and usability testing with early adopters, environmental advocates, and even mechanical engineers from the Lazo team itself. We then discovered three main problems. One, which was lack of real-time feedback during the use of this machine, confusing errors in status indicators and abstract impact metrics that left users feeling disconnected from results of their efforts. From there onwards, we began sketching ideas and brought it to reality by actually going and 3D printing it for our demo and usability testing. We envisioned a large touch screen to guide users through each step, supported by physical buttons for essential actions like power, start, stop, and emergency. The mobile app would support this experience by offering push notifications, scheduling options, and personalized environmental statistics, and created a hybrid system that balanced the clarity between the touchscreen and the reliability on the hardware controls. But beyond this tech, this is about people, about creating a community of confident, responsible recyclers with real-time carbon dioxide tracking and recycling milestones. Lasso Loop turns sustainability into something users can see, feel, and celebrate. We are just getting started. Our next step would be expanding the user testing to more diverse households across different ages, lifestyles, and tech familiarity. We're also exploring voice integration for accessibility and cost-effective display alternatives for broader reach. Beyond that, we want to partner with local municipal communities and recycling programs at colleges, turning Lasso Loop into a community-wide sustainability tool. This project just isn't about the design, but it's a vision for more clearer, smarter future. So be a part of the change, discover how Lasso Loop can transform your recycling habits, scan the QR code to explore the prototype, and join the loop. Let's make recycling smarter and together. Thank you.